Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the world of massive machines, where even the smallest mistake can lead to jaw-dropping moments. From towering cranes to unstoppable excavators, heavy equipment is built to handle the toughest jobs. But when things don't go as planned, the results can be shocking, hilarious, or downright unbelievable. Get ready, because these heavy equipment fails hit different. In May 2020, Demi's Orion vessel suffered a dramatic crane collapse during load testing in Rostock, Germany. The Liebherr crane's hook failed under a 2,600-ton load, causing the boom to snap backward and collapse. In January 2018, a massive crane lifting a concrete wall collapsed at a construction site in southeast Austin, forcing nearly a dozen workers to run for their lives as the crane toppled. In August 2015, two cranes in the Netherlands collapsed while lifting a bridge section in Alphen aan den Rijn. The massive structures toppled onto houses and shops, leaving major destruction but miraculously no fatalities. A pickup truck isn't merely a vehicle, it's a machine loaded with raw, unrestrained power. The man driving the car is truly a professional. His skills are so sharp that even the crane operator nearby could definitely stand to learn a thing or two from him. The ice was only capable of holding 3.5 tons of weight. So it's no surprise that a truck weighing nearly 10 times that amount failed to make it safely back to shore.
Come on, let's go green. Oh man, oh man.
Wih, terfoto kan? Masa terfoto? Terfoto kan?
And finally, this was the very first day of a group beginning to work together as a team. There are moments when attempting to repair a problem only ends up making the situation even worse.
Primo, salí, seguí saliendo.
In this case, it looked like the universe truly had this man's back. If this powerhouse machine were ever hooked up to a regular car, the smaller vehicle would be helpless. It would simply be dragged along like a toy without any resistance.
That excavator driver's reflexes are worthy of a medal.
When a massive mining dump truck needs to be moved, the only thing capable of pulling it is another truck of equal size and strength. For one man, the events of the day turned into both the best and the worst experience of his life at the very same time.
Он, мне кажется, сейчас упадет. Не? In Chile, a driver took a massive risk by hauling a heavy cargo onto a crossing. His daring move didn't just draw attention, it landed him in the news.
呦個死啦佢！
But not every situation ends smoothly, and explaining what happened here to the boss is certainly not going to be easy.
अरे अल्लाह रे!
His cargo handling skills definitely leave room for improvement.
Jetzt kommt ein großen Deutsch.
Erst mal genug Speicher?
Ja, sicher.
Der Deutsch, der bremst gar nicht, was?
Architects designed and constructed a pedestrian bridge over the highway to ensure the safety of people crossing, but that still doesn't stop a few reckless drivers from ignoring it altogether.
Like an idiot by myself out in the boonies of Fletcher County. And,
Oh, there goes. Golly.
probably not what he had in mind.
Yep.
However, we can get to it.
Someone began filming, fully aware of what was just about to unfold next.
Не, ну он должен вылезти. Пускай.
Смотри, смотри.
атмосфер вперед. Он должен сейчас туда вот вылезти фрикционом, зацепить ту гусеницу. Во, он так вот двигается. Должен вылезти. Чуть-чуть не хватает.
And this was one of those very moments. He was supposed to accomplish the task, but in the end, he simply couldn't manage it.
У вас сгорит. Фавика отгони, Фавик сгорит. Серый, ты умеешь ездить на нем? Сейчас взорвется. Фавика отгоняй, Серега. Фавик сгорит. Провода замкнули.
When a 6,000-volt power line came into contact with heavy machinery, the outcome was inevitable. The vehicle never stood a chance.
Срочно надо поливалку, скажи, или что там, воду с КамАЗа затушить, пока он не сгорел колес.
Driving through mud of this kind is a challenge that not everyone can handle. Even a heavy truck wasn't able to push through it successfully.
А вот жопу заварили бы, пошел бы. Все. О! Че спустила?
Один бил.
The man filming this asked himself what a crane operator should do in such a situation. The answer is simple: get out of the cab as quickly as possible. Sometimes, however, walking away is actually the smartest decision one can make.
Давай. Давай.
Твою мать.
Отлично. Можешь остановиться. Красота!
Industry professionals flooded the comments with praise for the excavator operator. Thanks to his remarkable skill, the rescue operation to pull the dump truck out of the river was successfully carried out.
Dio poi lei là sotto, che ho scritto il puscio. Oh, io poi al vazò. Cosa ti ho detto? Guarda mo cosa ti avevo detto. Cosa ti avevo detto?
Guarda la macchina, scappa via la macchina.
Sì, ma questi sono matti, cioè, io mi meraviglio più dei vigili che non sono venuti a chiudere. Ma si capiva che veniva giù intero? Sì, vabbè, ma l'ho capito. Tu non so neanche, lei è andata a destra, sì. Все, приехали, парни.
Ha! Imagine that! Holy It is a good day for fish, it's Friday!
While most people would have already gone out and purchased a brand new tractor, these workers refused to give up so easily.
Hold the brakes on.
The driver completely miscalculated. Only the pipes were supposed to go underwater, not the entire piece of machinery. All the commotion surrounding the issue did nothing to actually improve the situation.
कितना दब गया जहाज अरे अरे